Hi, this is Rachel with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 506 East Meadow Lane. It's a 2-bed, 1-bath, 777 square foot, and right in the heart of Bear City. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are, 506 East Meadow. So we're on a 5,000 square foot lot. The lot lines are fairly easy on this one. We're going to be right here. Got a little driveway right here where you could go back through into the backyard if you wanted to. And then over here, we do have the lot line on this side being the fence. So plenty of parking, dirt parking. Got some tall grass in the backyard, so that needs to be attended to. And a nice, beautiful pine tree in the front yard, in the front deck, actually. So coming up, deck is in good shape, pretty sturdy, pretty sound. Paint is kind of coming off in some areas. The paint on the house is like a red color, and that all looks like it's in great shape. Here's that tree where they're making room for it to grow, but you can see kind of here it's a little bit worn. Little bird's nest. I think I see a bird's nest at every house I go to right now. All right. Roof looks like it's somewhat done in the last 5 years. Just looking at that part. And so here coming in, we've got just kind of like a little mud room. Laminate hardwood floors on this. This part does look like it was added on, possibly. Little area just to store things. Because then we go in and we get to hardwood floors. So beautiful, beautiful hardwood floors. Also gorgeous tongue and groove on the walls and on the ceilings. Really adorable. So this home is listed as a 2-bed, 1.5 bath. I don't know that I'm going to find the extra half bath that they are marketing, and that is the second bedroom upstairs. So typically I think most people are going to see this as a 1-bedroom home. But coming through, like all of the bones of it are really good. We do have this beautiful fireplace, brick fireplace, nice built out area that you need to have pretty much just so that the embers don't burn the wood on the ground. And then also I want to just point out these are single pane windows right here, kind of the original. Ceiling's probably around 8 foot tall, I would imagine. But these floors are really great. Here's our dining area. So we're gonna go into the kitchen. Secret spaces to hide things. We got this nice live edge countertop right here. Beautiful. Do think that was added after the fact. You could get some bar top seating right here if you wanted to. And then coming in, this is likely where the dishwasher would go. And we did just move from hardwood floors over to laminate floors right here. But check out all this storage. Real cute. And full-sized appliances too. So full-size oven, full-size fridge. I'm going to go outside last. So we go from just kind of different parts. So we've got this countertop, then we've got this going on, then we've got, well, you got that's just a cutting board. Then we got white tile with cast iron dual sinks. And then this is going to come into the bedroom. And the sellers have disclosed that there was a water issue back here. Sorry. My gimbal's dying. So we've got basically something that happened here from the washer. So they're pointing out not to use it. Does have a slight smell of water in here too. So this bed is probably a queen size bed. You could easily get a king size bed in here. You do have access to the attic. And then the laundry is here, although it needs to be repaired. So we do have 2 closets, kind of one closet that works as 2 closets. So like a his and a hers. Kind of panning around. And then walking through here is where, oh, okay, so it does have a half bath. I lied. So this is the half bath and it's connected to the full bath. Trying to think of why you wouldn't wall that off, but maybe you can tell me what you think, if you would close that off or if you would keep it open. Just thinking, if you go to the bathroom, that door's open, somehow you want to take a shower, you have to open this door, pray that one's closed. Things can get a little bit weird. So if it were me, I would probably just close that off. And here we go in. This is going to be laminate flooring right here. Something is happening there. We've got some growth. And that could be from that water that they disclosed. Here we have the same paneling as out in the living room. However, this one is painted paneling. Still in good shape. We do have a dual pane window right here. And I'm not sure, this panel is slightly different than the texture that you get over here. I'm wondering if they did something to have to replumb that shower possibly. So here we are going into the full bathroom. Got just like an IKEA sink on the wall. Everything's painted white, which is actually really good because it's it makes things feel bigger. In here, this is just like particle board. Shower. Not the best caulking job to make it look the same, but I think just like little bits of love, and I think it would be pretty good. But for vacation rental, you would only be able to call this a 1-bedroom because this is not a legal ladder. Oh, look, that's where I'm from. This is not a legal ladder to get to a bedroom. So unless this was made with a real stairwell, and I'm not even sure because technically you kind of hit your head unless you're in this middle part of it. But you do have a ton of sleeping space up here, that is for sure. Storage. And then coming in, this is where we've got another sectioned off bedroom. I mean, this one, maybe, I don't know. I'd have to check title on how this works, because this is a pretty big space right here. You do have room for your head. You can get in here without hitting your head on the ceiling, but the access coming up to it is just the part that's kind of unknown for me. Would be something I would need to check. Dual pane window, fan, because it will get hot up here. But this doorway, like, I am hitting my head on it. So anytime me as a short person is hitting my head, that is typically a sign that something is not legally right. So I'm going to come downstairs. And then we're going to go outside. Covered area right here. Again, great shape. I'm not gonna go too far because I've been watching snake videos and I'm kind of afraid the grass is tall. And it might be snake season right now. Okay, this is as far as I'm gonna go. So we've got like a little dog kennel back here, a shed back here. It is fully fenced. Let me peek around this corner just a little bit. And that's gonna be kind of right where we started. So let me know what you think. And if you want to come take a look, talk to you soon. Bye.